When your visitors search for their desired product, the right results will turn them into customers. It's easy to overlook the importance of your search feature, but it's very important indeed. TweakWise Navigator lets you control your very own search algorithm that will make absolutely sure that the right products are found. Each step of the algorithm lets you adjust settings for which properties it will search through and more. It will even find some results to display when the options run out. And it's not even that complicated to set up. Let's navigate to Search and then Search Algorithm so I can show you. Compiling the search algorithm is simple. You just add the various separate search algorithms from the dropdown. The order in which they should be added is specific, and you shouldn't edit the order without explicitly considering the effects. Some of the components have specific settings you need to set. Let's just add them one by one, following the correct order, and explain them as we go. You'll notice that it says Redirects at the top. That's because before any of the search algorithm comes into action, the redirects are considered. This prevents your redirects from being overridden by the algorithm. Please note that these are advanced settings that can seriously mess with your web shop's performance. Do not change any of these settings if you're not absolutely sure about the effects. Contact us at support@tweakwise.com if you need advice or assistance. First up is number recognition. This algorithm will recognize a number in the search query and compare it to the TweakWise Navigator product numbers to see if there's a perfect match. Exact match. This algorithm will attempt to match the search query to a property value. You can set the property that you want the algorithm to search through in this dropdown. If you want, you can add your own product codes like SKU and EAN. You can also choose to remove a punctuation mark, such as a period or a comma, in the field below. Category match. This algorithm will try to recognize a category name in the search query. This will show your customer all products from, for example, the jeans category if they search for jeans. This works for the entire path. So when the path is women/jeans, and a customer searches for women jeans, they'll get the right category match. You can set some settings here to make the search results use the sorting template of the matching category and whether conjugations and synonyms should be used. This algorithm isn't used by default, but it will yield satisfying results. Word search. This algorithm will really get the specific results that your customers want. You can choose multiple properties here through which the algorithm will search. If you choose the color property here and your customer searches for red shoe, then products with a red value for the color property will be a match. You can set here whether results should be sorted by full text rank, which will sort the products on relevance to the search query. A note: you shouldn't check this option if you want your own smart sorting to do their job in the results. Set whether conjugation should be used and whether the algorithm should also search for words that start with a search term, so incomplete words can be a match. This algorithm uses synonyms as well. Autocorrection. We all know this mechanism from our mobile devices. The algorithm will attempt to correct any typos to find a match. You need to select all the properties on which you want autocorrection to work. Next, we'll put in another word search. This time, it will attempt to find a match on the automatically corrected search term. Fuzzy search. This algorithm is the last chance for any results. Any result is better than none at all, right? The algorithm will search each separate term in the query to find any sort of match. Products found with this algorithm will be sorted using full text rank. This means it will consider how many of the search terms are in a product's title and sort accordingly. There you have it. This is the ideal search algorithm setup. Read the support articles in the description to read all the details on every search algorithm.